911, what's the emergency?
There's something happening at Lincoln Park. I hear bangs and screams.
Okay, ma'am. Stay where you are. We're sending officers.
Welcome to the next generation of emergency response.
1712, we have a report of possible shots fired at Lincoln Park.
Dispatch, UAS-1 is launching.
10-4, en route.
A turnkey solution. Skyfire's remote operators will get you eyes on scene in seconds. No need to train pilots or invest in drones. No regulatory hassles. True beyond line of sight, powered by Echodyne radar coverage. Assess the scene before first responders arrive.
Dispatch, UAS-1 is on the scene. I have a visual on 2 juveniles setting off fireworks.
1712, I copy. Slowing our response.
Introducing Skyfire Response, when seconds count.